In a bizarre case highlighting delays in the judicial system, the Kuchinda SDJM court has acquitted 3 persons nearly 20 years after they were accused in the theft of gutka and cigarettes worth just 52 rupees. The case dates back to 2006 when gutka packets and cigarettes valued at rupees 52 were allegedly stolen from a pan shop at Station Basti in Bamra area of Sambalpur district. Following a complaint lodged at Govindpur police station, police arrested 4 persons from Nunia Munda village on theft charges and another person from Kechupani village for allegedly purchasing the stolen goods. All the accused were later released on bail and had been attending court proceedings regularly. However, as years passed, the case slowed down significantly and court notices became infrequent. During the prolonged legal battle, 2 of the accused and the complainant, Prafulla Sahu, passed away before the verdict could be delivered. A few days ago, the remaining accused again received warrants from the court in connection with the pending case. Police subsequently arrested Ganesh Jaipuria and Amesh Bankara on theft charges and Hemant Sahu on charges of purchasing stolen property before producing them before the court. After hearing the matter, the Kuchinda SDJM court finally acquitted the 3 accused, bringing an end to the nearly 2-decade-old case over goods worth just rupees 52.
2006 रु वर्तमान 2024 पर्यंत आज पर्यंत से केस लड़ुले या भितर आज 3 जन मुदला को एसडीजेएम कुचिंडा दोष मुक्त कले आज तंकर केस सरी जाइए दीर्घ 2006 रु 2024 पर्यंत जो केस चलला ताहा ये कोर्ट तांकर चेष्टा करी साक्षी मान को डाकुले साक्षी मैंने न आसबार एत विलम्ब हो
कोर्ट चलान करले से 29 दिन भी रखीदे तापर बेल रे आसली मुई आपर कोर्ट तारीख अटेंड कली आज फैसला काली फैसला जाली 20 वर्ष हो गला।